change of plans. So actually we're not gonna stay à Loisson. We're going to go actually try to navigate to some kind of port, or if we don't manage, just do a whole night and get somewhere. We actually left now, so it's certain that we're going to do some night navigation. So I'm excited, I guess. It's the first time. This was a very interesting beginning. It's probably like 1.5 hours after. We are going quite at a good speed, about 6-7 knots, and well, we have a goal, and we either will go a little bit lower to sleep, or we will go all the way to Belle-Île. That's where we wanted to originally go. So right now we are sailing. It's about 10 p.m. The sunset is right over here. It's really nice, and we should cross La Pointe du Raz, what is just not so far from here, where there are all the currents and everything that we passed yesterday, in about 1 or 2 hours. But we have to motor because of all the currents that there will be. We are crossing, we have the 2 lighthouses in front of us. We had some problems with the engine, but it's because of how we are going a little bit sideways, so that's fine. But we have quite a lot of wind, so we should pass really well now. Next episode.